Hi, and welcome to this brief introduction into three of the hottest AI stocks out there in the market in January of 2024, that is. Now, I will begin by saying that nothing stated in this video is intended to be financial advice. Like anything else, investing in the stock market is always at your own risk, so do your homework. Now we are going to go ahead and introduce you some URLs along top of some information on the three of the hottest stocks out there in the market as of now, January 2024. I want to emphasize again that we are neither promoting any of these sites, just introducing them to you to give you an understanding as to what is hot now in today's market in the year 2024. If you are considering getting into the trading space, maybe you are a new investor just curious as to what is hot out there in the market. And so let's go ahead and actually begin by introducing you to the first top pick. Now, I will say this, that we're going to show you two resources that actually verify that this is the number one, the hottest AI stock market ticket out there in the market today, and that is NVIDIA. I mean, you may be asking, who are they? What do they do? Well, NVIDIA, keeping it very simple at a high level, is the largest AI chip manufacturer out there. Listen to that. The largest. They own 85% of the market share when it comes to AI chips. Now, definitely, I will say this, we're going to show you a little bit about the price of this actual stock, and we're going to show you actually why they are in fact number one. So let's go ahead and actually look at their actual ticket out there on the market, and you can see here that the cost of this specific share is almost $600 per share. Now, you may be saying, okay, wow, that is a hefty price to pay for one specific share. But bear in mind, this is obviously, goes without saying, for the serious investor. But with that being said, let's go ahead and show you what you can actually get as far as a gain on an annual basis. Now we're referring to Nerd Wallet here, and we're going to show you a little bit on Forbes actually verifying this information as well. But if you notice over here, right here, you're going to actually see that they are averaging anywhere between 230% to 236% gain for an annual basis if you opt to invest in that. Listen to that amount of gain that you can get, 230%. Now let's go ahead and go to Forbes and just verify that. As you notice over here, Forbes has this as the number one hottest AI pick right here, and they even indicate 236. So if you are in fact considering an AI stock out there and you are willing to pay 600 a share, by all means, consider NVIDIA. Again, we are not promoting this specific stock by any means. We are not even providing financial advice. But what we are saying is they are definitely, without a shadow of a doubt, the front leader in regards to technology, into the regards to market share, and obviously offer a tremendous rate of return in the stock market today. And again, this data is as of January 2024. And as you know already, when it comes to investing in the stock market, everything is always subject to change. So do your research. Now let's talk about actually stock number two out there in the market, and that is Symbotic. Now, Symbotic gives you a clear indication right here, just looking at this little quick video on their website, as to some of the type of AI technology that they provide. And if you notice here in this picture, you see the automation already into play when it comes to the warehouse environment. And that is the main focus of Symbotic, which is automating warehouse distribution. Here they even indicate that they have an automated warehouse platform. So this gives you a good sense as to the type of technology that they're offering in the AI space. Now, with all that being said, that's great. They're stock number two pick out there in the market, but what do they cost? So let's go ahead and look at that. As you notice, their share cost is $44. It's pretty reasonably priced for those who are new to the stock market. Maybe you don't have a lot of money to invest into trading. And so this is definitely a very good stock to consider. And let's go ahead and look at that actual gain. Right over here, using NerdWallet as a verifiable source, as you can notice over here, we have Symbiotic over here at 197% gain. Listen to that. 197% gain for the year. I will say this, that when it comes to actual Forbes and their list, they did not necessarily list Symbiotic on the list for their top picks, but NerdWallet did, and we find that especially in today's world of automation, when it comes to warehouse or supply chain, it's definitely an industry for you to consider when tapping into the world of AI technology. Now let's talk about stock number 3 pick. Stock number 3 pick is C3AI. C3AI, again, is in the space of developing software applications to support various industries. And we're going to go ahead and show you some of those industries here at the top here. They support their software applications, support manufacturing industry, the oil industry over here. We have the financial sector. We have retail, healthcare. So it kind of looks like they touch on all areas of industries, transportation, even over here, and the defense and intelligence. Now, if you notice on their actual website, by all means, feel free to do your own research up here at their site. And you're going to notice they even designed a CRM suite with AI technology, financial services suite, oil and gas suite. Again, utilizing just AI technology into these different market sectors. And I'm saying that's great, but what kind of actual rate of return am I going to get for stock number 3? So let's go ahead and look at NerdWallet right now and see what they say. NerdWallet over here, as you notice over here, indicates that you're going to get on average in any given year a 91% rate of return. Listen to that, 91% rate of return on an annual basis in regards to this specific stock market. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at what we really want to know is how much does it cost? Okay, so we're looking at the price right now, and it's a $25 stock per share. Listen to that price, $25 for a share. Now, it is definitely reasonably priced out there for you newbie investors in the stock market, for you entering the world of AI in the stock market trading. If you're interested in considering this, by all means, exclamation point, do your research. We are not promoting any one specific stock over the other. And more importantly, as we all know, when it comes to the trading world, everything is always subject to change. That just goes without saying. But again, we wanted to introduce these 3 quick hot stock markets as of January 2024. We hope that this quick tutorial and introduction into who they are, a little bit about what they do, gives you a better insight to maybe consider them if you are considering dabbling into the AI space. And as I've always began by saying this, we'll end this video by clearly indicating that none of this information has been financial advice. We're merely introducing to you verifiable information. We look forward to seeing you into the next video.